Welcome to Lawson Family Farms, and today we're going to bring you along as we divide up a 20-acre pasture into 2-acre plots. So we're going to have 10 2-acre paddocks, and we're going to move the cows each day into each one. So we're going to use our temporary fencing to divide them.
Hi, I'm Luke, and I'm the official fence coordinator, and this is Sarah, and she's the official driver. Into the ground so that the cows can get to water. We're making a lane down the middle because the waterers are in the middle of the field. As you can see, actually I don't know if you can see, we're putting all the posts. This is what we mean by an insulator. This yellow thing right here, it goes onto the metal posts and you just hook the wire right into the yellow insulator, and that's how the wire stays up to make a fence. This fence is electric. And it keeps the cows in really. Oh, it's cold. That's what it looks like. Can't really see. It's just a lane.
Yeah.
Why'd the farmer get a raise?
I don't know why.
Because he was outstanding in his field. How many steps did you do?
17.
I know.
I heard that.
Okay, so now what we're doing is we're sectioning off the paddock. So we made that lane in the middle, and we're making 2-acre paddocks. So this one here is one, and then this one over here will be another paddock. So we're just running this poly wire all the way down these white fence posts that we put in. The fence hooks right in these little hooks on the fence post.
Alright. Good job, guys.
So we finished all of our fencing for today. We did what we said we were going to do. We put up over 5,000 feet of temporary fencing, and we made 4 of the 10 paddocks today. So what we're going to do is move the herd in, and they're going to be in 1 paddock per day. So we'll move them into the first one, and then we'll move them to the second one. And we also made an aisleway so they can always get to water, no matter which paddock we move them to. So that's what we did today.